Yo, what's up, Tech Brain Issues? So, I'm going to be adding an extra 8 gigabytes of RAM to this Lenovo IdeaPad S145. So here I got that crucial 8 gigabytes of RAM that you can put in the laptop if you want extra RAM. So let's begin and put it inside the laptop. Before you begin, make sure you turn off your laptop fully. So let's get our screwdriver over here and start taking off all those screws. Now that we have removed all the screws, let's try opening this thing up. So I've inserted one here, but yeah, I've never opened a laptop for myself, so it's the first time doing it, so let's see how it goes. As you can see, the components of the laptop, so this is the SSD drive, the battery, the fan, and mainly the RAM. That's what we are gonna do here, and it's pretty simple to remove, just easy. And how you do that is, you see those pins, you have to pull these out and then it will come up. So this is what we have from Samsung. Let me just autofocus that. Yeah, there. Sorry for that. So from Samsung, 4 gigabytes. Quite interesting. So let's keep that aside and get the other one. So let's open this and put it in the laptop. So we got it opened from Crucial. So the name Crucial should come at the back, and then you should get it inserted. And well, careful with those thingy. See, so we got that in. So all you have to do is now, and that's it. And then simply close the laptop. So after closing, then all the just putting the screws back in. So let's do that. So we screwed everything in and back to place. So let's boot up the laptop and see how it is done. So it's booting up. First you get a black screen for some time, but that's normal because it's reading the new RAM, so it takes some time. So don't worry about it. So the laptop has booted successfully, and let's see the task manager, what it says. So here you can see that we installed the 8GB RAM, and the previous one was 4GB, which was this one. As you see, it's 4GB, and now it's 8. Now I have 3.1GB available. Before I used to have less than 1GB, so it is absolutely terrible. Of course, I couldn't open the apps, it crashed all the time then. Now it feels okay. What about the performance? It's a whole lot quicker. That's so fast now. Yeah, that's a whole lot quicker. So is it worth the upgrade? The RAM, if it's running slow? Of course, yes, it's much better, and it's the cheapest way to actually speed up your laptop. So it is definitely an upgrade. So it is recommended if it's running slow. So it is pretty easy actually. So, and for the first time, I experienced opening a laptop. It was pretty easy actually. So thanks for watching.